admit it's my fault, but you gotta believe me when I say it only happened once.
Jangan lupa subscribe Delar VR dan lihat video menarik lainnya.
But you'll never see that you're the only one I wanna love. Oh yeah. She said, boy, tell me honestly, was it real or just for show? She said, save your apologies, baby, I just gotta know. How long has this been going on? You've been creeping around on me. Oh, you're calling me